Nishant, what's the matter with you?
Well, Sanya, I've been searching for two different topics. One, how hardware sensor integration in mobile learning helps, and second, how marketers can learn from trainers. And well, I've been looking for the answer for very long.
Nishant, we should go talk to Samir and Prasoon. They're speaking at the Learning Solutions Conference in Florida. I hope they have your answers.
That's great. Let's go.
Hi, this is Sanya. Here I have with me Samir, who's going to be talking about what trainers can learn from marketeers. He's speaking at the Learning Solutions Conference in Orlando. So Samir, these are two different domains, marketeers and trainers. How do you plan to relate the two?
So Sanya, picture this. So many people driving down a busy interstate past a hoarding. On the hoarding, imagine that there's a model, very happy looking model, and the model suggests that the best burgers are made by company A. Now this will have an impact several miles down that interstate on the cash registers of burger company A. This type of impact on buying behavior is surprising because you see at the speed that you're driving on the interstate, you can barely see the hoarding and it's in your peripheral vision. Still that impact is there. Now compare this with a training situation. The trainers take you to a classroom, they take you there for 30 minutes to an hour. They tell you precise, useful information. Many times they make interactive, aesthetically pleasing e-learnings for you, but they still end up worrying about the kind of impact it can have on your knowledge or your behavior. So, are there some marketing techniques which the trainers can pick up to make sure that they can influence the trainees just as well? I can tell you that there are many such techniques, but they are like this golf set, and you really need to know which club to pick up when, so that you can place the ball just where you want it. And that's what I'm going to talk about at Florida.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
Hi, this is Nishant, and with me I have Prasoon, who's going to speak at Orlando Learning Solution Conference. So I hear, Prasoon, you will be talking about how hardware sensor integration in mobile learning works, and actually it's a very interesting topic. So how does sensors and mobile and learning get together?
Really, Nishant, I think it is quite an interesting subject. And ironically, what's happening is that people are, especially in training industry, are not seeing that trend. A big revolution is underway. Look at, there's people who still think that when they talk about computer, laptop, they kind of think, these tablets and smartphones, they're extensions to the same thing. But that's funny because that's not really how it is. Because they are as much related as, in a funny way, a chimpanzee is to human being. They're 99% same. And to put things in perspective, the reason I'm saying that is that look at any, smartphone that you may have or a tablet. It is full of sensors. For example, this phone that I carry, and it has a proximity sensor, it has got a gyroscope, it has got temperature sensor, and it's a big difference. Now the funny thing is that, and that is where the discussion is, that across the the world and industry, we're seeing revolutions like Internet of Things. But the way I see it, the training industry is still to catch up. They're still probably latched on to the old ways of doing it. And that is where I just wanted to shift the pendulum a little bit and make them see that there is a possibility of integration. For instance, people are using, that's quite a trend now, to use tablets for, all your training needs. But what's not happening, Nishant, is that this is full of sensors. There's no integration. You're not using the powerful cameras that are there. You're not making use of the mic and the speech analysis. Those features are silently put there in different silos. What I'm going to talk about, and this is my topic of which I'm speaking at, is that how can we bring together these sensors to mobile learning so that what we get in the end is a sensorized, very smart e-learning. And that's going to be a revolution, at least I think so. And I invite you and all of you to be part of it. Thanks a lot.